What's up, everybody out there in YouTube? It's Young Dreezy, just checking in. Just about to solve this Rubik's Cube. I said before that I could do it in under 2 minutes, so I'm just here to prove it. I'm gonna just scramble it right in front of you, and I'm gonna solve it. And I guess you guys can, keep track on YouTube, see how long it takes me or whatever, but alright, I'm gonna scramble it now. Alright, that seems good enough. Alright, so, alright, ready? Watch it. Alright. Bam! There it is. Okay, I don't know how long that took, but somebody will tell me. And there it is, Rubik's Cube. See ya.